Okay, so we did up to F where we calculated the if function and we were able to calculate the incentive based on if the persons would have rented us three or more cars. And this was our if function here to calculate the incentive, right? And now we move on. They said to rename the sheet rental info, so I did that. I went ahead and I inserted the name at the bottom here with rental info. Now what we have to do is it says add a new column for the new rental fee and calculate the new rental fee as rental fee plus incentive for each owner. So I would have hoped that y'all would have done this already, but if y'all didn't, I'm going to do it now. Right? So it's new total rental fee and it will be equal sign F2 plus G2. Right? And then we drag down. Now it also said here that we have to highlight the range for the of the values in the new total rental fee and name the range new total rental fee. Um I'm gonna copy this. I don't know if I can. Copy the name. I'm gonna go here and it's already highlighted, so I'm just gonna make sure. I'm gonna go to name manager and I'm going to you go to formulas up at the top, you go to name manager and you click new and we have new rental fee. So I could just type in mine there. And if you look at it, it says it at the bottom here refers to rental info. So that's your rental info sheet from H2 to H8, which is correct. And you click OK. Right? So it labels this range of values for you as new rental fee. Okay? So we will be using that. I'll show you all how we'll be using that in a formula as we go along. We have here now, we move on to I, and it says use the max function with the name range total rental fee, which is what we just did, to determine the largest rental fee to be paid to an owner. And this must be displayed on the sheet. So what we can do is on the side, now this is not supposed to be displayed. Remember, this is just for our purposes, for me to show you all how to do the um the formulas, right? So we could do maximum here, maximum rental fee, and we had done a formula previously for maximum. If you all had remember, it was equal sign max, and we're going to use the name range, which would have been what we had just done, new rental fee, right? Because we just named this whole range. So if you look at it, I just typed in exactly how I had named the rental fee when we went up to name manager, exactly what you put here, and it's going to highlight that area for you. And close bracket, and I press enter, and it gave me here the value for the maximum rental fee that we will be paying. I'm going to put in dollar sign just because, right? And you also have to do minimum rental fee, and we're going to do it again the same way, equal sign min open brackets, and you're typing it out exactly how we had it, and close brackets, and it will give you the minimum rental fee, right? So that is I and J completed. It said rename the sheet rental info, which we had done before, rental info here, right? So we'll be moving on now to copy and paste the information from the sheet rental info into another sheet in the same range. However, instead of doing copying over the information, what I will show you all how to do is you right click and you go down on the name of the sheet, you right click and then you click move or copy. And we're going to click at the bottom here where it says create a copy, move to the end, make sure you have it says move to the end, and make sure you tick off create a copy and you click OK. What it does for you is that it creates a copy of the exact sheet for you. So now we can work on this sheet here. Now, just for our purposes, I'm going to delete those things. I am not sure why in my Excel my lines are not showing up, but don't worry about that. We are going to move on to where it says, okay, so copy the info. Ensure that the formatting is maintained, which it would be once we copy the sheet. Rename the sheet sorted info, right? So we're going to rename this copied sheet, rename sorted info, right? So we have that there. That was letter L. And now we're going to do sort the information in this sorted info sheet by car model in ascending order, right? So let's go back. We are going to sort the information in this entire sheet. So we're going to highlight the whole thing here, um, just up to here. We are sorting what they said, sort by car model in ascending order. So car model, and we are sorting in ascending order. Now, remember, you go to your home tab, you go to sort and filter, and I would advise you to go to custom sort. When you go to custom sort, make sure this is ticked off. My data has headers. And then we're going to select what we are sorting by, which is car model. And they said ascending order, right? So ascending order would be A to Z. And then we click OK. And it sorts. If you look here, it sorted everything for you according to ascending order here. And it has sorted everything else as well, right? So that is your ascending order.